What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. Thank you for stopping in if you are new. So we're currently up here at the house, and I figured since deer season's right around the corner, let's go hang some trail cameras. And then we also have some food plot there, and then we also have a mineral block there that my girlfriend is holding. She's going to be going along as, like I said, we're going to be just kind of roughing up the dirt back there, throwing that stuff down. I got a rake to kind of cover it and then another rake to rough it up. So we're going to be doing that. Figured I'd bring you guys along. I am using the old camera because I don't know how dusty it's going to be back there. I'd rather the old camera get dirty than the new one. So we're going to hop in the truck, head back there, and I'll see you guys back there.
Ryan Little.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we made it back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to kind of plant it right along the corn here, since there is about a 4 to 5 foot dead path here, and then along over there where shaling is too. You can see it's just a lot of like bareness through here. We tried to keep a path through here so we can get all the way around, but the stuff we planted's kind of coming in. It's thicker up that way. So I'm going to take that rake and just kind of scrape it across here, definitely through here, and then I'll throw some of that seed down. I was going to see if I could find the little hand spreader, but I didn't think about it until we were out here. Pretty sure it's up above the shop. But no, they are starting to pull corn off, as you can tell right here. I don't know if this is an actual deer, if that was a coon or what. There's plenty of tracks through here. There's a big dip over here where I actually shot a doe one year. I was set up about right where those thorns were, and as you can tell, they actually run this. That's pretty far drop down there, so they use this as a path. And then if you keep going all the way down this path, that's where I shot my big buck 2-3 years ago. And then the blind actually wraps around about right over there is where the actual blind is. Over here is my double buddy climber stand. Like I said, we're just going to kind of rough up along the edge here, just kind of broadcast some of the stuff out. I'm probably not going to use the whole bag. I'll probably keep some just in case it doesn't grow. We can kind of broadcast it again, but no, we're going to get started, and then hopefully this stuff will take off. We're going to get the trail camera hung up on one of these trees, probably one like right there. We have a mineral block also, so we're going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to go from there. Hopefully you guys could see that all right. So basically what we did is, like I said, we took that, Shaylin took the tough rake, the metal rake, and scraped everything up. I pulled all the debris back. So now we got this nice, about 5 foot path all the way across here. Sprinkled the seed down, took the green rake back over it, just kind of shook it all in. Same thing over here in this little, probably 4x5 area. Just a small area. Like I said, this stuff here is hay. We planted it all the way around. Talking about throwing in some like clover and stuff to mix in next year. So, well, I mean, obviously that's probably, I don't know, 20 feet here and about 5 feet wide all the way down. So this should be a good growth as long as we get a nice little sprinkle rain on it. That stuff that I planted for fall planting, it said about the middle of August is when you want to hit it. So I'm not too bad right now. And like I said, I did keep some, so if I need to, I can plant it next spring also, kind of get that head start on them. But hopefully this will take off. They're calling for rain almost every day this week. So if we can get a little drizzle on it just to kind of wet the soil down and it can start taking off. They said don't bury the seed, because obviously if you bury it like you do your corn seed, it won't pop all the way up and through. So they just recommended basically what we did here. If you have a grassy area, bush hog it, sprayed all off, come through with a tiller, fluff it all up, which obviously we didn't do that. We just took that rake and it fluffed up pretty nice. Along the corn there, it is a little bit wetter. So it should take off, no problems. I got the trail, or actually Shaylin got the trail camera put up. We got the mineral block out. We got the trail camera set up right here on this tree, because like I said, they do come from that direction. And then I guarantee they follow this corn all the way around. So hopefully we'll get something. Probably leave it out here for a week or two. Come back, check it, check the growth and everything on this. Make sure it's doing good. Hopefully we get a nice little rain shower here or there to kind of get that stuff to take off. At least an inch, 2 inches before deer season, kind of give them something to munch on and come out. I know a lot of guys will run feeders and stuff, but you can't here, because if you shoot them at a feeder, it's not the right thing. You can actually get in trouble for it. I know you can run feeders all the way up. I think it's about a 2 to 3 week time period before hunting season, then you got to yank them. So I wasn't even going to worry about doing a feeder. I might do one next year, throw some corn in it and just go from there. But nope, like I said, we got everything done. Gonna pack up and give it about a week to a week and a half. Hopefully we'll have some nice deer pictures. Hopefully this stuff will start taking off. And yeah, so cross your fingers. And I'll pick you guys up the next time we come out here to check on this. So like I said, guys, that's all the way down to the next stand where I would actually go for my deer blind itself. This is just kind of open here, and then that's where we just planted that stuff. So we're rolling out. Thanks again to the girlfriend for helping. Like I said, we're gonna give it a week or 2 weeks to see what we have, and I'll probably make another video upon or coming out here again. So stay tuned, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.